My name's Jordan. I was involved in building the robot, and for me, MSF was really important because it really helped with the organization of all the materials. Since with all the new resources that we have, like all the new building materials, especially the field, right? Yeah, they gave us the field, which really helped in testing the robot. Plans for the future would be, I would like to pursue something in engineering. Would be nice.
I'm Raviv. I was the team captain this year, and MSF has been really great. We got a lot of new equipment because of that. We got a lot of tools that were great in helping build the robot. New tools that we didn't have access to the year before. We also got many more electronic parts, which made it possible for us to do more unique things with our robot. We also did get a lot of really nice furniture from them, which helped with organization. And the field we were able to get from the grant was a huge step up from the PVC pipe setup we had. And MSF in general, they've been doing an amazing job promoting all our stuff in general, because community outreach is just a huge part of what we have to accomplish. But it's helped in getting us new members, which has allowed us to split the team up into smaller groups to be able to do more specific work and get a better robot made more efficiently.
I'm Andrew. I did the majority of the programming for both the FTC and the Mate robots, and I also did all of the wiring and electronics design. The Mamaroneck Schools Foundation grants were instrumental in our team's success. We would have been unable to purchase most of the materials or tools that we used in building. As far as the Mate robot goes, everything on that robot was funded from Mamaroneck Schools Foundation money. I will be attending the University of Pennsylvania, and I'm going to be doing electrical engineering and also computer science. And the experience of robotics and working with hardware and software and engineering physical parts that go along with electronic designs and code is extremely instrumental, because that's what I see myself doing. Maybe not in robots per se, but I see myself designing a lot of consumer type products or other sorts of devices where you have all of these different parts and all of these different sub-teams coming together to make something. Additionally, FTC and Mate have brought me valuable experience for actually working within these different teams.
I'm Sandra. I'm the president of Mate Underwater Robotics, or as we called it, the Tiger Sharks. And thanks to the MSF grant, we were able to buy furniture for our robotics room so that we could all work in the same space, but we had enough room to have multiple different people doing multiple different tasks so that we could specialize and get more things done in that way compared to in previous years when we had very little specialization in our team. At the competition, we were very successful and we learned a lot. We went up to Sandwich, Massachusetts with a bunch of parents. We had 3 parents carpool us up for this Mate competition in the New England region, and we were very successful. We learned a lot of things from competing in this competition. We learned a couple of things about the robot itself and how to make a better design from learning from other teams, and how to have a good product demonstration from all the failures that we had and the failures that we observed from other teams. And we learned how to work as a team for the presentation, for the demonstration, and for all aspects of the competition. So this year we've had a very successful rookie year, and we've recruited a lot of members and we've had a lot of successes. In the future, using the resources that MSF has allowed us to buy, we hope to have a lot of success building a lasting program for the school and the community.
So this year we were able to implement an MSF grant that allowed us to get a lot of stuff for our robotics program, really with the general intent of building the program. We were able to buy a whole bunch of new equipment, so a lot of tools and stuff we needed to build and construct. We were able to build to get robot parts. We were able to get a lot of furniture, chairs, and desks and tables to make the room a comfortable space, and really have enough space for people to grow into and to build the program. That was the intent. And that was part of the original grant, and then we were able to convert the grant to expand to the MATE underwater robotics program. And really, we took a chunk of the overall grant and used that specifically for the underwater robot and all the systems and the tools, specialty things that we needed to get that going. And had a fantastic year as a result of getting that done. So we did really well in FTC. And then we went to Cape Cod and were able to compete in the MATE Underwater ROV, the New England Regional Championship, and came in third overall, which is a fantastic deal for a rookie team. And we also won Rookie of the Year. It's amazing what we were able to accomplish this year through the MSF grant and through the equipment that we were able to purchase, and really none of this would have been possible without it.